In my hands is the newly released Huawei Nova 16 series. Let's unbox it first thing. Now let's take a look at the overall appearance of the device. Everyone can take a close look at its lens module. This time it uses something called the Radiant Twin Stars, a brand new design. Its dual-circle sole shape has a high recognition factor and looks quite different from most phones on the market. The main color is this clear sky blue, which has a very refreshing blue tone and gives a very summery feeling. Also, you can see the holographic back panel has a gradient that looks very dynamic under light. The device has a flat screen design and feels very light and thin in hand, which is very comfortable. Most importantly, everyone is most concerned about the camera, and this generation of Nova 16 has obvious improvements in this area. The entire series comes with red sealed primary color lenses. The Pro and Ultra versions also feature a 200 million pixel main camera. My biggest impression is that its image quality has more details and better control of light. For example, in strong outdoor light during summer or complex lighting scenes like concerts, the picture will not easily be overexposed or underexposed. The shooting lens coverage is also very complete, including ultra-wide angle, telephoto, and macro. Its front selfie effect is also quite good. I will also recommend a practical small feature for you, the recording flash capture. When recording videos, you can directly capture high-definition photos at beautiful moments. Like when shooting concerts before, this feature is often used and is very handy. In addition to basic photography, there are also special features like live collage, 3D dynamic photos, and AI photo editing, which are particularly powerful. In terms of performance, this time the Nova 16 series all use the Kirin 9010S flagship processor and comes standard with a 7000 mAh large battery. To tackle the problem of heating during summer use, it also comes with an ice core cooling system. The system is HarmonyOS 6.1, which is very convenient for daily use. Briefly about communication features, Nova 16 supports 5G communication and Wi-Fi 7. In crowded places like malls, scenic spots, and concerts where signals are congested, the network connection is more stable without disconnections or lag. Overall, I think the Nova 16 has very comprehensive upgrades this time and offers a very balanced experience. Nova 16 is really impressive. Lastly, my purchase advice. If you pursue lightness, a good hand feel, and ultra-long battery life, the standard version of Nova 16 is completely sufficient. If you like traveling and photography, directly buy the Nova 16 Pro, which will improve imaging and overall experience to another level. If budget permits, you can go for the Ultra version and get it all at once.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.